Hello. As a UI developer, it can be very beneficial to have access to a mock backend system to use as part of front-end or user interface testing. Take, for example, a health insurance self-service member portal, where we need to test how our application functions for our users and how it looks in multiple browsers and mobile devices. But we don't have full access to the backend systems, or perhaps they're still under development. With ReadyAPI Virtualization, we can quickly simulate a system like this that returns member records and information, just like a backend database, for example. In fact, ReadyAPI Virtualization can hook into a DB if we want to return actual data. In the example on screen, I've created a simple scenario where different member IDs return different records. Using service virtualization based on a member ID, which is a parameter, we return different responses that I've built using ReadyAPI Virtualization. In our request, for example, if we put in an ID of 1234 and send that request, we get back one response. If we put in a different ID, we get a different record. We could, in fact, simulate an entire workflow where customers log in, submit receipts, update their personal details, and log out, for example. ReadyAPI Virtualization makes this easy. As you can see, I can now return record types in different formats, such as XML or JSON, and test these across multiple browsers and devices. We can also quickly simulate lots of different error types and understand how the UI handles them well in advance of a system going live. We can deploy this local mock onto VirtServer. VirtServer is another SmartBear tool for sharing mock services on our network. We then have 24/7 access to it in a centralized location for our development teams. Why not download and play around with ReadyAPI Virtualization today? See you next time.